Hey, honestly, I am so glad you could make it out here today. Take a look around. Have you ever seen a more perfect setup for a day off? I've been standing here on the grass for a few minutes, just soaking up the atmosphere before I finally take the plunge. I'm already in my favorite blue floral trunks, and as that label right next to me says, I am officially today's swimmer. It's my favorite title to have when the weather is this good. Honestly, there is nothing like the feeling of the warm air on your skin right before you jump into the cool water. Speaking of which, just look at that pool stretching out behind me. The color is incredible, isn't it? It's that perfect, crystal clear turquoise that makes you want to dive in immediately. If you look over to the left side of the deck, you'll see the silver ladder. That's usually how I get in when I'm feeling a bit lazy and want to acclimate it slowly. But today feels like a big splash kind of day. You can see my friends and other folks are already having a blast in the water. Some are just waiting around near the edge, enjoying that refreshing sensation on their legs, while others are probably trying to see how long they can stay submerged. In English, we call this area the shallow end, where people are standing, and the deep end is usually where you do your diving or your serious laps. Now, look up at the sun. It is absolutely blazing today. It is high in the sky, and you can practically feel the heat radiating off the concrete deck and the grass. That's exactly why those red and white striped umbrellas are so popular right now. If you aren't currently a swimmer in the pool, you definitely want to be tucked away in the shade. We use the word shade to describe that dark, cool area where the sun can't reach you directly. Trust me, if you stay out here as a swimmer for too long without ducking under an umbrella or putting on plenty of sunscreen, you'll definitely be feeling a nasty sunburn tomorrow. Oh, and check this out. Someone just tossed a beach ball my way. See it floating there in the air right by my hand? I love these things. They're so light because they're just filled with air, which makes them perfect for hitting back and forth across the surface of the water. There's actually another beach ball drifting near the edge of the pool, too, probably waiting for someone to start a game. You really can't have a proper pool party without at least one of these colorful inflatable things bouncing around. So, here's the plan for the afternoon. I'm going to toss this beach ball into the center of the pool, head over to that refreshing water, and spend the next few hours being the most relaxed swimmer I can be while the sun is still at its peak. It's all about the simple things, relaxing, enjoying the light breeze, and making the most of every second of the summer. Don't just stand there watching me, though. Go grab your gear, find a nice spot on the grass to leave your towel, and let's get in. The water is calling my name, the sun is shining bright, and that pool isn't going to enjoy itself. Let's head in and make a massive splash. I'll race you to the ladder. What a nice day. And that's all for today, my friends. Bye-bye, and see you in the next.